we were very eager to get on the fiber and not have the older technologies that continue to fail on us on a regular basis. We've been on KUB Fiber since June the 10th, and we have not had any issues whatsoever. It's been the most reliable thing we've had in 5 years. And the phone system that came along to boot was even better. So we are thrilled with the KUB Fiber and the reliability, and haven't had connectivity issues. For Aquatic Marine, we deal with a lot of aquatic life, whether it's saltwater fish, freshwater fish, aquatic turtles. We also have a large service department that goes out and services aquariums all over East Tennessee on a weekly and daily basis. With all the technology we have with our new phone system, the menus, people can call in and get right to the people they need to. They can get to service, they can get to retail, they can get to administration. It is worth the wait, it really is. And the customer service, the reliability, the accessibility that KUB gives me as a customer is what I want for our customers, and they've allowed us to do that in a much more reliable fashion.